Today I'm going to show you how to find the Audible Plus catalogue by author. Now if you look at this screen here, it's the mirror of my mobile phone. You'll have your Audible when you open it up. This is the profile bit. You'll have a different name. The key is to select any of these other three buttons at the bottom where the magnifying glass in the top right appears. Sometimes if you're mid-search it's hard to find it. But let's just put in this author because I know Leslie Wolfe has got some on the Plus catalogue. So you can see the author, 38 titles. The next button that you would click is filter and click Plus catalogue. If there isn't this access Plus catalogue option, which many authors don't have, that means they don't have titles in the Plus catalogue at this stage. It can change. Simply all you then do is click at the bottom and then you can fire away actually listening to your Audible Plus books for free. I hope you found that helpful.